Do that. Do that.
On to your next foot.
Just to prove that video was for real. That's Tiana with us. That was a video that our producer came across on Facebook of Tiana Grant. And why? She was impressed. I'm impressed. And she's with us with her dad, Jerovis. Actually, he's a wicked about it than me, quietly still. Morning, sir.
Yeah,
morning, Tiana.
morning.
How are you?
Fine.
Who taught you to play football like that?
My father.
Yeah? Why you like football?
Because it is a fun sport.
Yeah, you play any other sports? No netball?
No.
Nothing like that?
No. But sometimes I just play for fun.
Just play for fun?
Yeah.
But you play with the boys?
Eh?
You play with the boys, do you?
Yeah.
And you're better than the boys?
Yeah.
All of them?
Yeah.
What position do you play?
Forward.
Which footballer do you like in Jamaica and in the world?
I like Messi
Yeah.
and Wayne Williams.
That's from Marvally.
From Marvel, really.
Yeah.
And Messi's a left footer like you.
Yeah.
Morning, Daddy.
Morning.
You're a coach?
Yes,
Or you just
assistant
love
coach.
the game?
I love the game as well, but I'm an assistant coach at Marvally UNN.
Yeah? You also have a son that plays very, very well.
Yes, Javier Grant. Yeah.
Yeah, so why? Why you wanted her to play football?
Well, it's not really say I want her to play football, but when she was 4, I was buying boots for my son, and she said, "Daddy, remember don't leave my football boots, you know." So that's why I have to get fair football boots here, and after I get it,
Yeah?
history.
And she's also, I was looking at her report card. So she's not only a very good young baller, but she goes to Marvally Primary and Junior
Yeah,
High.
she get to Pembroke now. She leave.
Pembroke Hall,
Yeah,
yeah.
no. Yeah.
Language arts, 98. Comprehension skills, 88. Communication skills, 100. Spelling, 96. Math, 100. Integrated studies, 100. Visual arts, 100. Spanish, 100. That's incredible. That's incredible. So do you want to become a footballer or you have other ideas in your head right now?
I want to be a footballer.
Footballer, professional.
Yeah.
Want to be a reggae girl.
Yeah.
You know, they're playing later on at the National Stadium, so you have to ask Daddy to carry and you can go and watch them. And hopefully one of these days you could get to meet them all. It's great to meet you.
Yes.
So this is what you want her to do?
Yes, she loved it. And from she loved it, I just leave her and make she flow.
Yeah? You coach at this level.
Yes.
And she, as I've already said, she played with the boys. So she
Yes.
said she's better than them, but how good is she with the
Yeah,
boys?
man, she's really good. She played with the under 13 as well. She played the
And
under
she's
10.
8 years old?
Yeah, and she's 8. She played the under 13. So I have a little program on Sunday in Marvally, Sunday morning at 7 o'clock, where I have the kids them who can pay for go academy. So I have them every Sunday morning. I have over 40 odd kids. You understand? But she loves the football
And you do that for free?
for free.
Oh, fantastic.
And sometimes,
fantastic.
yeah, for free.
And you just entered the under 10 competition recently? That
Yes,
they
the
had?
Cassava under 10.
Yeah.
We come 4th.
And she was a part of that?
Yes, man. Me.
Any other girls?
Yes, we have another girl, Ashona. Yes, Ashona Golden.
Yeah.
She's very good as well.
All right. Let's have a little competition. See how far you can go, and then I'll see how far I can go.
Yes.
All right, let's go. Hold on a little bit, Tiana. Stop. Tiana, stop, man. Tiana, me is a old man, you know, me must do so much things. He's about 40 years gone, you know. That's brilliant. Let me try. I'll just try. I don't know if I can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, mine dropped already. So, you're better than me. Go again. Let's go. You're much better than I am. Beautiful. If you see her face, she's just so focused. We can go for it. Go for it and come back. Go for it and come back. She's so focused. And she obviously does well at school also.
Yes,
so
yes.
You're getting the best out of her. Turn around someone.
Sorry.
Come on, you can go. Keep on juggling. Keep on juggling. Let me speak with Daddy for a little while. So she's really doing well academically and she's doing well at sports.
Yes, yes, yes. And Coach Raja from Premier and Chan from Emmanuel
Yeah,
and Coach Jones, they help with our development.
fantastic.
Yes, yes.
That's fantastic. I mean, she hasn't dropped this ball for a long time, and a lot of big-time players can't do what she's doing.
She's very skillful. Every morning, she get up and she bunks the ball on the wall because I tell her that build up her touch and her control.
Yeah, it does. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing.
Yes.
Let's see if we can do it together. So you pass to me now. Aye, aye. Well, try again. I'm sorry. Whoops. Great to meet you.
Yeah, man.
And I pray that it works out for you, Coach.
Bless it, yeah, man.
Great to meet you. You're a fantastic youngness. So who you want to say hi to anybody, any of your teammates, anybody?
Yeah.
All right, let's
Say
look in
it,
that
man.
camera and say hi to anybody you want to say hi to.
Yes, I
Hi.
to
So you don't say a generic hi. That is to everybody. Everybody. Hey man, great to meet you. Keep working hard, keep doing well in school. Yeah. And I hope that your dream will come true. All right?
All right.
Yeah.
Footballer Tiana Grant, her dad, Jerovis. Also want to say thank you to Ordinary Seaman Romario Walcott from the Maritime Air and Cyber Command who posted the video and helped us to organize this meeting with Tiana. Fantastic. Keep juggling to the break. Don't drop it. Can't drop it. Purple Delight is taking the stage after this. Don't drop it.